Let us do Paschimottanasana. Sit in Dandasana. Toes inward. Engage your legs, tightening all the muscles in the leg. Breathe in and raise both your hands up. Extend your spine. As you breathe out, bend forward, bringing your chest close to the thighs and chin close to the knees or the shin bone. If you are unable to hold the foot, you can hold the ankle and stay in the posture while breathing in and out normally. Stay for a few breaths. Breathe in and slowly rise up. Breathe out, drop the hands down and come back to Dandasana.